Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, you got your backup camera, we do get a nice manual lift glass on this vehicle, which allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can leave it open for some air. Totally up to you. Roof rails, we got some nice blacked out trim on this vehicle, blind spot detection, a nice remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months, with a nice license plate bracket and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. We got the cargo area protectors on the back seats and the floor here. Plenty of back space. We do get hooks and doodads. We got a nice spotlight on your lift gate. Can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. 12 volt, you got a light back here with plenty of storage below. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice roast cloth and leather interior. Plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, rear vents, USB and USB-C, 110 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth and leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, with some nice memory seam for up to 3 drivers, liftgate lights, got a powered passenger seat, which is always pretty handy. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 37,174 kilometers. We got this nice leather up steering wheel, which is also heated, toggle view screen, phone, voice and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Digital speedometer just right there. We do get select screen, audio, phone, and other settings, plus display setup. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, with GOAT modes, cup holders, storage with outlets. You do get some storage underneath as well with more outlets. Dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Some storage here, engine starts up, auto stop, auto start, hazards, media controls, storage below. Nice little infotainment system with your audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. Any apps you may download will also show up right in here. And settings such as Bluetooth, driving assist, vehicle, Ford Pass, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, valet mode, and shifting to reverse. We do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8321, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.